to run smoothly hospital and earning the money, earning the profit after that. First of all, we need to build up a policy for the integrity. First of the committee members should be integrated, devotee, and try to the best for the people of the Makrana. It is a more essential part. Then after that, most of the people, I think that 80 to 90% of people of the Makrana give the donation in the Ramjan, in the other festivals, in the other part of the festivals. They give the more types of the donation, uh, but they could not give the donation in the Lagansha committee or Anjuman committee, because they think if they give the donation, their amount of such this type of such amount, it is not fruitful for the needy person. It is captured by the aristocrat peoples, by the committee members, by the corruptions, by the bad intention of the making the money. So all of the main things that people of the Makrana did not take interest, does not take interest to give the money. First of all, we choose the integrated committee. Then they build up the rapport in between the people of the Makrana and the hospital, so that then if the people think and then thought with the heart and feel with the heart that really actual the Lagansha committees may be the honest, maybe the integrated, then people of the Makrana take the decision with the heart and the mind and give them money and give the donation. They are very kind, they are very helpful for us, but we should try to change ourselves. If we can't change ourselves, then no one can help us. So it is a more important part to the create the rapport in between the doctors and the management, in between the Makrana people of the Makrana and the hospital, and in between the patient and the management. It is the more things we should try to efforts to do this, and after that we will see the result of the success in regarding this. So I hope any committee which will be elected or selected by the so-called people's so-called higher authorities person, they decide whatever, I don't know, whatever they decide, it is a meaningful that every committee should be responsible for the profit, benefits for profit for the Lagansha and decline for the Lagansha. Thank you so much.